Okay, so today's video is actually how to clean up any standard alcantaras that comes on a Mini. So get it on the gaiters, the JCW steering wheels, the JCW gear knob, which I've got here. So on the first gen, second gen and third gen, it's all the same sort of alcantara material. And you can see, let's get it close to the camera. Hopefully that should focus in. You can see actually that it goes quite like smooth and grubby really quickly. So obviously with all the oils and the grease and grime on your hands, that goes into this sort of material that should be like a suede finish when brand new. So this is a used gear knob that I've picked up that at the moment is all shiny and smooth. Actually should be nice and fluffy. So previously in the past I've seen lots of different tips on how to sort of regenerate this and get it back to a nice fluffy finish. One I've used in the past, which I'm going to attempt now and show you the results, is actually using a pack of baby wipes. So literally any sort of children's sort of facial wipes and baby wipes you can see here. So just a pack of Huggies I'm going to use just to clean this off. And it was going to come out quite grubby to start with, because you can see there's a lot of grease and grime on this one at the moment. But what we do, you can see there, I've literally just touched that and the grime's come out. So let's give that a quick wipe over. So you can see lots of grime coming out of that, but already, literally within a case of moments of wiping that over, you can already see the fluffy finish starting to come back. It might take a few attempts of wiping it over to get the grime out, and obviously keep rotating the baby wipe. And just wiping that down to get the grime out of it. So I can see already there's a nice soft fluffiness to that, and you can already see you're able to now brush the alcantara in different directions, which you couldn't on this side. You can see there's no change in the finish at all. So what we'll do a bit of a 50-50 comparison on this, do one half of it. We'll let it dry off, and that's where you see whether you need to go over it again and do another clean up on there. So you can see it show up on the video. That's the dirty side and that's the clean side, so there's a bit of fluff on there, but you can see already that original finish is coming back. What we'll do, let's clean that off, get into the little grooves. Good wipe over. You can get little bits of fluff off afterwards. Give that a good scrub. What we'll do, we'll give that some time to dry off, and then we'll take a look at the finish and compare it to this side, which is the dirty grubby side, and see what benefit we see just by using one baby wipe. And I mean, you can see that's all the grease and grime that's come out of that, obviously after sort of years of use in another Mini. We'll let that dry off and we'll come back to it. Okay, so here you can see that we've given it some time to dry, and the finish looks so much better than when we first started recording this video. You can see there the suede effect when you rub your finger off it. That's exactly what you'd be expecting to see from clean alcantara material, rather than the grimy flat smooth side that you can see here. So already a much better finish with literally one baby wipe. So what I'm going to do is give this second dirty side a go, so we get a completely clean gear knob now. So let's give that a bit of a scrub. Okay, so that's the alcantara restored. Ignore some of this white fluff. Once it dries, you'll be able to just like wipe those little bits off. They just stick to it because it's still damp. So you can use this sort of process of cleaning with the baby wipes on any of the sort of the factory seats, steering wheels, the gaiters, the handbrake grips, the gear knob grips, and I've used that on numerous cars. So it's not just a mini Alcantara, you can use it on any sort of Alcantara that comes in any other manufacturer's car as well. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, hit the subscribe button below so you get updates on the latest videos that go live, and hit the like button if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, see you soon.